What's up guys? So sa atong atubangan usa kini ka power bank. Kini nga power bank na bundak kini yung kang ano siya. Kang ano siya atong lang kini abrihan. Makita na to what is inside in this power bank. Okay? So, we're gonna be opening this power bank in here. Okay. It's kind of very hard to open it. We're gonna need some flathead screwdriver, obviously. So this is flathead screwdriver. We're gonna squash this thing out here.
Di na rin mo naguba na siya? Ha?
Yeah. So since naguba na siya, ato na rin siya abrihan
It's called what?
para ma-discover tayo.
Sa may tawag ka na? It's called danghag. Kasayang ano?
Obviously, this is the inside of the power bank. And then, just take note, be careful not to touch in here with the metal. See here, because this is some kind of electrical contact here. When you see power bank, this is how it looks like. Okay. Now, in some scenario, like the EV vehicle is also like this, but they're using big battery will be located underneath the car. So this is it, as you can see. So it's not really good thing to have this thing, because this thing is very if the connector here will be grounded, this will cause fire and it will explode. So you need to be careful with this thing when opening it. See this contact here, you see here, positive and negative. So obviously I'm gonna try to separate this thing. You see? So it's very dangerous. So this thing has to be properly disposed. So you can see. So we're not going to continue removing it. We're not going to remove it completely because it's kind of very hazardous thing to do. So I'm just like opening it. Just you guys may wonder what is inside of the power bank. And the inside of the power bank is this. It's a flat lithium battery that's in here. It's some kind of LiPo battery. As you can see, 12,260 or 1,000 mAh. This actually can start a car. And the power. So if you see battery like this, just be careful not to take it out. We're gonna separate this thing and we're gonna dispose it to the proper place.
Nakuha sa gamay din.
So check the battery there, as you can see. So we just take it out just to deactivate the reactor on this battery. See? So that's it, and this is only the motherboard for your USB socket, and then the battery charging. So that's it. If you wonder what is inside on your power bank, so this is the inside of your power bank. Okay. So you may wonder, guys, what is inside of your power bank. So this is it. The moment of truth, you will see what is inside of the power bank. This is it. So the parts that is inside of the power bank are the motherboard for the charging system for the USB. And this is the some kind of battery seals. These are the battery seals. There's two types battery seals. These are flat battery seals, and this is some kind of lithium polymer battery seals. And the function of this one here is a flat battery seals. Function is just the storage and of power, no storage of power. And these are inside here is full of like a chemical inside, chemical electrical energy inside, chemically like stores inside. And then this kind of battery is flat battery cells, no? Flat type lithium polymer battery cells. And some others also are cylindrical, but this one is flat model. But flat battery cells common the very common power bank, slim, yeah. So this is like the motherboard circuit here. This is the heart and brain of the power system or the charging unit. So now you will not wonder what is inside of the battery, as I show you the inside of your power bank. So again, this is like battery cells, flat battery cells, like lithium polymer battery, and obviously this is the storage. So this is, guys, but do not try to dispose this anywhere. It have to be disposed properly as it should, because this is this will cause fire, no? It has to be disposed properly. And then the way of doing that is we're gonna disarm the battery itself. We're gonna disarm so it will not cause harm, like that. So that is disconnected already. It will not cause harm. Disconnected. So better to disconnect. Okay. So we're gonna dispose this in the proper place. So you may wonder what is the inside of your battery power bank. So this is the inside of your power bank. Flat battery cells inside, polymer battery. That's it, guys. Thank you.